Hi, this is Rachel at the Crystal Tree, and today I'm going to show you how to apply gesso to a hard surface. In a previous video I made how to make the gesso, and in this one I'm just going to focus on how to apply it. So you can get yourself a paint scraper, or you can go ahead and get yourself just a plastic card you usually get in your junk mail. And I have just a notebook here that I had kind of prepped previously for something else, and I made my gesso up, pre-made it, and I have some stencils that I'm going to show you how I apply it. You can make your gesso real thick, or you can do it really thin. In this particular one, it's kind of on the slightly thick side, so I'm going to show you how I apply it. You want to go at a slight angle. You can load it up onto the card, or you can go ahead, like I have here, a spoon, and just plop it on. You can go over it several times. You can take it off if it didn't take the first time. Smooth it out. It's a good textured thing that you can do to make your projects more interesting by giving them different layers. And I have like these plastic ones. You don't want to use a paper stencil when doing this because you want to be able to wash it and reuse it. So I have several different ones I picked up online. You can find them on Amazon. You can find them on eBay, craft stores, just so that you can make your own projects work and make them pop out. I don't know if we can show you in here. See the kind of brick design. That's a good angle there, so you can kind of see that. And with your gesso, the homemade stuff that I make, you can also make it thin, so you can also paint it on. And this one right here has like 2 coats, and then here I just did 1 coat. And you can get yourself a paintbrush, like a disposable one, that's just a kind of rough paintbrush to go ahead and apply it. So you can take cardboard or any kind of flat surface, even glass. You can go ahead and apply this to glass, a thin coat of it if you need to. It's a money saver. You only use 3 products to make it. I think you can see here this, and this one. And that will make your gesso for you. To store your gesso, because I have a lot of it left over and I want to be able to do other projects, I use little airtight containers, and you just take it and you just put it in there, and it has this, and this will probably keep it good for a couple of weeks. Believe it or not, if you keep it in a bottle, it actually lasts longer. This one I did about 2 months ago, and it's just a random bottle of paint that I had, and I poured it out and put the stuff in there. And this is 2 months, maybe 3-month-old gesso that I made more liquidy. And as you can see, and it can put a light coat on. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.